Those 4 bolts did it. I'm gonna take these motherfuckers off. Make sure you disconnect the battery before you do this shit. I already did. Make sure you label these. I marked mine black with black. Short should be going in there. Should be a hot. Forward and reverse, or reverse and forward. Who the fuck knows? Terminals had 2 flat washers and a lock washer. Also had spacers in between the bracket and the fucking whatever the fuck that is. Crossmember cover maybe? Ooh, here's my adjustment for my steering gearbox. Those are the bolts I'm looking for. It's all boxed in. Take the fucking leaf spring. Same bolts that holds the fucking gearbox. And that motherfucker was a bitch. This one's just spinning. This one's gone. Gone. Gone, gone, gone. That's why I fucking found the problem. Tag and bag the fuck out of everything. Save you headaches later. A little different, huh? Heavy duty. Bitch is heavy. Just gotta throw some paint. It's a new steering gear bracket. Yeah, should compare to the original one. But you can get a replacement for like $20 compared to $113. The safe size doesn't matter. Yeah, right.